There is nothing one has in this life that if you don't maintain it, you may lose it. Even your health, you have to sustain it. It's in that sustenance that is where the good result comes from. Because you see, some things you do today, you may not get the result immediately. The result may be gradual, steadfast, but it is sure. Maintenance is very important. Monitor things. A lot of people don't monitor their health. A lot of people don't monitor what they eat. A lot of people don't monitor their environment. Let us have maintenance. And likewise, if you don't put maintenance in your life, you will live an uncertainty life. Because life comes with different challenges and opportunities. Because you see, maintenance sometimes, it may not even lead to destruction. If you refuse to do maintenance, it may not lead to destruction, but it will bring a temporary setback. So when you refuse to carry out proper maintenance, even your enemy, when they bring program to you, you will embrace it. Please, whatsoever you have, carry out maintenance on it. And whatsoever you are going to have, make sure that you have a maintenance culture.